Everybody has a creative potential, and from the moment you can express this creative potential, you can start changing the world. By Paulo Coelho. Good morning, everyone. I'm Vansh Bharadwaj, the Secretary of IEEE UVCE Computer Society. It is my honor to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to the inaugural ceremony of Codefury 6.0. I invite Deeksha K to lead us in invoking the presence of divine on this special day with an invocation song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकुलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र पवित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गण्डमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you, Diksha. In today's world, where technology is at the forefront in every sector, the demand for curiosity driven and intelligent solutions to real world problems is on the rise, like never before. Cold Fury has witnessed some feisty performances in the last 5 years and some ingenious solutions, and we hope to see the same this year as well. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our generous sponsor for Codefury 6.0. We have Akamai as gold sponsor, Rakuten as gold sponsor, IEEE Computer Society as general sponsor, Geeks for Geeks as a general sponsor, and Unstop as platform partner. Your support has been instrumental in making this event a reality, and we are truly thankful for your commitment to our cause. Now I wish to call upon Gagna Vakund, the Secretary of IEEE UVC Software Development SIG, to welcome everyone present here.
Thank you, Vansh. Good morning, everyone. Today with us, we have a special guest, Rachita Mahadev and Karyan Thomas from Akamai Technologies. Now, I would like to introduce our special guests. Rachita Mahadev is an emerging talent lead India and APJ with more than 10 years of experience. She currently heads the campus program for Asia Pacific and India, along with supporting global strategies for emerging talent, which impact through initiatives across talent development and building inclusive cultures. She has an engineering degree from VIT and master's in human resources from Alliance University. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Governor.
Kurian Thomas has more than 16 years of experience in talent acquisition, talent engagement, and talent management. He has experience in hiring both IT and non IT skills and hired more than 7,000 professionals in his career. He has been instrumental in various diversity initiatives such as Women in Leadership, Back to Work, PWD, and Veterans. His long term vision is to become a transformative force in talent acquisition, shaping the future of organizations through strategic, inclusive, and sustainable talent practice.
Thank you, Bhavina.
I consider it as an honor to welcome Dr. H.N. Ramesh Sir, Interim Director, University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, although he is not present here among us today. It is a privilege to have you, sir. I would like to welcome Dr. P. Deepa Shenoy, ma'am, Chair, IEEE Bangalore Section 2022. He is also unable to join us in person today. I would also like to warmly welcome the chairpersons of all the departments, the faculty, and the judges. Furthermore, we extend a warm welcome to our creative, agile, and talented participants who consistently ignite the spirit of Codefury year after year. Now, I would like to request Rachita Mahadev ma'am to speak a few words.
Governor, thank you so much. Good morning, everyone, to one and all present here. It's really a great honor to be a part of this event and to share this space with the dignitaries present here. Um, the association between UVCE and Akamai started in the year 2016, and it's been a great association. And we would like to collaborate more and make this association more stronger and beneficiary for both of us. People who are present on this call, and I know that you would have all heard about Akamai, but I would like to quickly talk a few words about what we are and how was our presence globally, right? At Akamai, we are pioneers at content delivery network, cybersecurity, and also in our cloud computing. We've recently celebrated our 25 years. We have an employee of 10,000 plus globally. And in India, we are around 2,500 people present, right? Uh, to just give an example, right? I know all these young people, they're pretty much into cricket and also into your Amazon Big Billion Day and all the content delivery that happens. Your IPL, your Amazon Big Billion Day, your Geo Cinemas are all maintained by our Akamai service and maintained and run by our Akamai service. So this is what we are, just to give a brief about it. And coming to the event, hackathon, definitely hackathon for beginners is an excellent way to collaborate and to have a very to learn to collaborate and also to kind of contribute solutions for all the problem statement that kind of goes ahead with. I think how hackathon plays a very crucial role, whether it's an IT profile or also a government bodies or everything, is that I think in August, there was a hackathon which was conducted by the government, and it was called as Smart India Hackathon, where the government kind of defined the statement problem, and it was basically involved in kind of issuing statements problem for all the government bodies and also for the ministries. So I feel hackathon is definitely a good space for us as an employers to kind of create awareness about our brand and also our product line, and also on the other hand it's good, uh, it really helps us to kind of have an outreach for a wide pool of talent. I wish all the very best for all the participants here today and also who are present with us for organizing this and presenting us with this opportunity to be a part of this event. Thank you so much, everyone. And Abhijit and Vaishnavi, who reached out initially, thank you so much for this. At Akamai, we are really proud to be a part of this event and sponsor this. Thank you.
Thank you for your enlightening words, ma'am. Now, I request Dr. Kiran K. Sir to speak a few words and announce the problem statement of Codefury 6.0.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of IEEE UVCE Computer Society and IEEE UVCE, I extend a warm welcome to one and all present here to our annual flagship hackathon, Codefury 6.0. We have successfully conducted 5 hackathons in the last 5 years, and this is our 6th hackathon. We have had very good response in the previous years with more than 400 participants from all over the country last year, and this year we have more than 350 participants. Firstly, I would like to appreciate all the participants who have registered. Your presence here shows your dedication and your willingness to take up challenges heads on. I would also like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. P. Deepashanoy ma'am, our branch advisor, Professor H.N. Ramesh sir, principal and interim director, UVCE, who could not join us for some reasons today, Professor B.M. Rajprakash sir, controller of examinations, our speaker, Rachita ma'am, Kurian sir and Satyanarayana sir for joining us today. I would also like to thank our sponsors, IEEE Computer Society, Rakuten, Akamai, and Geeks for Geeks, who helped make this event a success. I would also like to extend my appreciation to the IEEE UVCE team and all the volunteers who have put in countless hours of hard work and dedication to make this hackathon a reality. Your commitment to creating a culture of innovation within our community is truly commendable. As professors and mentors, we believe wholeheartedly in the potential of our students. So I urge all of you to utilize this opportunity to the fullest. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is also known as the Missile Man of India, once said, "Creativity is seeing the same thing as everybody else, but thinking of something different." At the very essence of it, it means that being creative doesn't always require finding new things. Instead, it's about looking at the same things as everyone else in a new light. Similarly, Codefury is about finding innovative solutions to real-world problems that already exist in our society. You all being budding engineers and a major part of the future are the best young minds that can be put to work to find these answers. The problem statement for the 6th iteration of Codefury is on mental health and well-being. The digital age has brought numerous benefits, but it has also introduced new challenges to mental health and well-being. Issues such as information overload, social media pressure, and online harassment can negatively impact individuals' mental health. To address this issue, we aim to develop an app or website solution that promotes mental health, well-being, and responsible digital usage. How can we utilize a mobile app or website to enhance mental health and well-being in the digital age? Addressing these issues such as information overload, social media pressure, and online harassment. As you begin this coding journey over the next 24 hours, I encourage you to think beyond the lines of code. The ideas developed here have the potential to inspire all of you. I thank you all once again for being a part of this wonderful event. Let the coding begin and may the most innovative idea win. Best of luck to all the participants and may Codefury 6.0 be an unforgettable experience to all of us. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. We request all the participants to stay till the end as we'll be explaining the rules and regulations of the hackathon. Now, I would like to call upon Vansh Bharadwaj to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Gagana. We would like to thank Rachita Mahadev, Emerging Talent Lead India and APJ at Akamai, Kurian Thomas, Senior Manager Talent Acquisition at Akamai Technologies. We also welcome Dr. H.N. Ramesh Sir, Interim Director, University of Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, and chairpersons of all the departments. Dr. P. Deepashanoy Ma'am, Chair, IEEE Bangalore Section 2022. Dr. Kiran K. Sir, and all the faculty and the judges for joining this meet and gracing this event. We would also thank our sponsors for supporting us and encouraging us to strive towards innovation. I now call upon Amrit Raj, the Secretary of IEEE UVCE Computer Society, to explain the rules and regulations.
Vansh, 1 minute, Vansh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would also like to thank Dr. Pavan, Chairperson, Department of Architecture. I didn't notice, sorry. I somehow missed your name.
No, sir. Thank you. Thank you. All the best. It's wonderful.
Thank you for joining and encouraging us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kiran, 1 minute at the end for me.
Sir, tell me, sir.
let him. The problem statement is over.
Sir, no, sir, you can talk. After that, they will give the problem statement, not a problem. The statement is given.
Look, at the outset, I apologize for starting this program 10 minutes and then making the sponsors to wait on behalf of UVCE. That's one thing that you missed. Then another thing is, like such events, definitely it is for students to gain knowledge in this area. And then my request to you is, since it is Codefury 6.0, if you have a document of all the earlier Codefuries, 1, 2, 3, up to 5, so you can just put it in website about the problem statement and the solution provided by the winners of the previous problem statements through website of IEEE or through TPO, so that the students of UVC or IEEE members will know about what the thought process was there earlier, and then the problem statements and the solutions provided. See, it's not just only the participants who are here, so it should be dissipated to other students who are absent as well, so that they will get motivated to participate in such hackathons, which is happening throughout the year, and then they'll get motivated. That should also be one of the reasons for this conduction of Codefury. That's all from my end. So thank you for patient hearing. Sorry if I am wrong. Okay, thank you. Please go ahead.
No, sir. Thank you very much for your suggestion, sir. We'll definitely look into it and we will put it on the website. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, Vansh.
Thank you, sir.
You can proceed. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to call upon Amrit Raj, the Secretary of IEEE UVCE Computer Society, to explain the rules and regulations.
Thank you, Vansh. Terms and conditions. You agree that the details provided in the registration form are true and complete to the best of your knowledge. The Codefury 6.0 Organizing Committee is in no way responsible for any incorrect information provided by the participants. Once the track is selected in the form, it cannot be changed under any circumstances. Any violation of the eligibility criteria mentioned on the website will lead to immediate disqualification of the team. The participants can use any IDE to design the web, iOS, Android applications. Participants found downloading entire template will be disqualified, but participants are permitted to use the internet for small blocks of code to implement a certain functionality to aid them in building the web page or app. The participants will be given some functionalities or features to implement it at regular intervals via the WhatsApp group. Extra points will be awarded to those teams implementing these features. Pushing the code to the GitHub repository at regular intervals compulsory for both web and app development, as plagiarism will be judged based on that. It's advised to have meaningful commits. The last commit to the GitHub repository containing the source code of the application should be made before 8:29 a.m. 24th September 2023. All submissions that will be mentioned should be submitted via Google Form before 8:30 a.m. 24th September 2023. The final winner will be chosen based on their presentation and the innovation idea behind their web or mobile app. The final decision is based on the sole discretion of the panel of judges. The decision made by the panel of judges is final and will not be amended under any circumstances. The participants will have to heed the instruction given by the Codefury 6.0 Organizing Committee and the Codefury 6.0 Volunteering Committee. In case of any dispute, IEEE UVCE's decision is final. Submission criteria for web development. The participants need to create a folder on the Google Drive which must contain the following and submit its public link via Google Form. A document containing the team name along with the name and phone number of the participants and the link to their GitHub repository of the entire application. The document should also contain a brief description of their application, its functionalities, and the way it solves the given problem statement, around 150 to 200 words. Important note, below the description, make sure mention the prompt that you have implemented. Web development. The participants are also requested to host their website on on any platform, example Heroku, Netlify, AWS, etc. And the link to the website should also be mentioned in the document. A screen recording of the way the application functions. Make sure to include all the features in the video. The name of the Google Drive folder should be your team name. Submission criteria for app development track. The participants need to create a folder on their Google Drive which must contain the following and submit its public link via Google Form. First 3 points are same as in web development track. In app development, an APK file of the application not required in case of iOS application. A screen recording of the way the application functions. Make sure to include all the features in the video. The name of the Google Drive folder should be your team name. It is now time to conclude the inaugural ceremony of Codefury 6.0. IEEE UVCE Computer Society wishes the best of luck to all the participants and feel free to contact us for any queries. Thank you. Plus one, problem statement and rules and regulations will be shared with all the participants via WhatsApp group and mail. Thank you everyone for joining us.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
sir. Kavan sir, thank you for joining.
Thank you, everyone, and good
Thank
luck.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kurian sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All the best, sir.
Good luck to everyone.